Hey my beauties, what it do? It's your girl Kai and I am back with another video. Today's video is going to be on a part 2 of the Laid by Lira Laid Edges kit. And today I'm going to show you how I achieved this slick ponytail with my baby hair using all the products that's in her kit. Okay, so this is a part 2 of me demoing using all the products and showing you how I achieved this slick ponytail and achieving these nice baby hairs, and also giving you a review on how I feel about actually using the products. Continue watching. like really laid. Okay, so let's recap everything. So now that I achieved this, a nice slick ponytail, so, and I took off the scarf, I wanted to let you guys know how I feel about it. Now, first things first, the edge control, I really love it because of the simple fact that it's very lightweight. You don't have to use that much product. So I'm done taking off my headscarf, and I did me a little nice little natural bead. And we're going to recap on everything that I used from the Laid by Lira edge control kit, okay? So of course what I did to use was I used the edge control, as you guys can see, to do my edges. And what I do want to talk about this is I love the fact that it's not hard. My first time using it, I was just so amazed. Like, a little goes a long way. So, and I don't know if you guys see my other video, I said it doesn't have a smell. I love it. Like, it's very soft and subtle. It's not thick. It gets the job done. Like, a little goes a long way. So be for sure when you use the edge control, you don't have to use that much. You can use just a little bit and it's gonna slick you really good. I'm like very impressed with that because I done used other edge controls before, and yeah, this by far to be my favorite as of right now. Yeah, like, y'all can see, like, I'm wavy, you feel me? Like, I'm real wavy. So it's not flaking on me, it's not giving me no whiteness. So I hope I can give you guys an updated video to see, so I can let you know how long my edges last, how is it in the heat, humid, so I can give you an update on that. Now the edge brush, what I do love about it is it's very soft, and I feel like it's a little bit too soft because of the simple fact I'm so used to those like hard coarse brushes, and then I'm so used to using a comb as well when I do my baby hair. So you can see in the video I was going kind of like back and forth. So, but what I do like about it is very soft, it's very long and tapered. The good thing about it is too that you can also attack brushing those flyaways, and also like making sure you could get the whole ponytail with this. So it's pretty long for you to brush off those little soft hairs, the little baby hairs in the back. So I love it. It's the overall brush as well. Now the styling gel, I'm so with it because of the simple fact that I am natural. So I kind of like, to me with my hair, I'm just saying with my hair, I had already flat ironed my hair before the video. So once I feel like with me putting any gel type to my hair, it does kind of curl up. But when I said okay, let me try it, then I did it, and it didn't do anything to my hair. So I feel like it's okay. I did go ahead and use this as like setting my baby hairs. So I kind of put the edge control, put the scarf on, then I came back, put the hair gel on the baby hair to kind of set it and lay it down. So far so good. I'm liking it. Y'all didn't tell me this smelled good. Like, it smelled too, it smells really good. And like I said, with her products that I kind of like, you don't have to use too much, and I'm the type, I like to use a lot of product, but because of the simple fact that I'm natural and that's just me, how I, you know, kind of move with my hair. But you don't have to use as much. And one thing that I do like about the fact with the edge control, that it's not so, like, I'm trying to see how I can explain it for you guys. Like, it's very movable. And I'm so used to me like I have to constantly, with other like edge controls, I have to constantly put edge control and like slick it, and then by the time I'm like getting on the other side, my edges already, like my baby hair already kind of like lifts up and not stay down. I hope I'm kind of like, you know, y'all understanding me and reading me right now, because it's hard for me to describe it. But the moment I put the edge control, slicked it, it went slick like automatically, and I like that about it. The headscarf, me, I'm more of a headscarf type of girl, like I said in my first video, so I feel like you guys should wash your headscarf before you use it. I didn't wash it, but I showed me using it like right out of the pack, and like I said in my first video, it's very coarse and hard, so it's kind of hard to kind of like flatten the whole thing. Like say for instance, if you just only had a ponytail and you wanted to frame your whole head and mold it, yeah, this was kind of hard for you to do that. So I do suggest you wash your headscarf before using it. But overall the product in the kit, I give her an A, being the fact that I didn't have no issues with using it on first hand. Now I don't know about me going out, would it last me if I'm going to, you know, grab a drink, that I still don't know, so I will give you an updated review on that. But for the most part, firsthand me using it, I love it. I love the fact that it does not flake, it does not white up on me, my edges are laid and slayed. Like, this was the best idea she could have thought of. And yeah, I like it. I'm loving it. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you are a new subscriber and you landed on my channel. Go ahead, you know, last video you guys commented, you guys was giving me feedback, and I love that because I comment each and every person. I would try my hardest. The beauty gang, you guys are blowing me up on the subscribers, followers are going up, and I greatly appreciate it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and see you beauties on my next video. Bye.